This video will show you how to borrow eAudiobooks at Moreland City Libraries using Belinda Borrowbox. You can access Belinda's huge selection of fiction and non-fiction audiobooks on a smartphone, tablet, computer, or MP3 player. First, we'll show you how to access them on a smartphone or tablet device. For the computer and MP3 player tutorial, follow the link in the description below. The best and easiest way to access eAudiobooks is to borrow them through the Belinda Borrowbox app on a smartphone or tablet. This demonstration will use a smartphone, but the same procedure applies on a tablet. Head to the App Store or Google Play on Android devices. Search Borrowbox, then click the cloud icon to download the app. Once the app has finished downloading, click Open. Press Library, then type Moreland. Moreland City Library should appear below. Click the text. Now enter your library card number, then your password, which is your full date of birth in 8 digits. Click Sign In. Read the terms and conditions, then press Agree to accept them. If you'd like to read through some Borrowbox tips, click Next. Otherwise, to head straight to the app, press Skip. Now you can see the My Loans page. The Belinda Borrowbox app gives you access to both ebooks and eAudiobooks, and this page will show you the titles you are currently borrowing, as well as titles you have reserved. You can have 10 eAudiobooks on hold or on loan at any one time. As you can see, at the moment I have nothing on loan and nothing on reserve. There are 2 ways to choose an eAudiobook to borrow. First, if you'd like to browse through a selection of books that Belinda Borrowbox has curated, click the eAudiobooks icon in the bottom panel. This will take you to a page that shows you lists of different titles. You can browse new arrivals, top downloads, and different genres, and you can also navigate by pressing the icons at the top of the screen. Click the cover of a title to find out more information about that title. However, if you know the book that you're searching for already, press the search icon in the bottom panel. Click the search bar at the top of the screen, then make sure eAudiobooks is selected. Type a keyword, for example, an author's last name or book title. Here I am looking for books by Australian crime writer Peter Temple. If I press the Available icon, Borrowbox will only show me the eAudiobooks that are available to borrow now and filter out titles that are already on loan. Once you've found a title you'd like to borrow, click the cover. Now you'll be able to see a description of the book and additional details. To hear a sample of the eAudiobook, press Preview. A short excerpt will play. Once you're ready to borrow the book, click Borrow. Press Confirm Loan. Borrowbox may now prompt you to decide whether it will send you a notification when your loan is about to expire. I'd like to be notified, so I'm going to click Yes. I will now click Allow so that my phone permits Borrowbox to send me notifications. If you'd prefer not to receive notifications from Borrowbox, click Don't Allow. I've now successfully borrowed an eAudiobook. I can choose to listen to it now or keep browsing for more titles. I'm going to keep browsing so I can show you how to place an eAudiobook on hold. Return to the search page. I'm going to deselect Available so I can see all the titles, not just the ones that are ready to borrow. Now I'm searching for books by the Italian author Elena Ferrante. I can see underneath the title that the book I want to borrow, The Story of a New Name, is already on loan. So I'm going to reserve it so it's ready for me to borrow once it becomes available again. Press the cover of the book, then press Reserve. Press Confirm Reserve. I receive a notice confirming my reservation and letting me know when it will be ready. Click Dismiss. Now I want to listen to the eAudiobook I borrowed earlier. Return to the My Loans page by hitting the return icon, then clicking My Loans in the bottom panel. Now I can see my current loan and reserved item. Click on the book you'd like to listen to. Click the green download icon to download the entire audiobook, or press the chapters icon to download a specific chapter or track. You may want to only download a portion of the book if you don't have much time or if you have limited space on your device. I'm going to download my entire audiobook, so I'll click the green icon. Belinda Borrowbox will now ask if you want your audiobooks to download automatically after you borrow them. If you are worried about running out of space on your device, you may want to click No. I have lots of space on my smartphone, so I will click Yes. If you do not have enough space to download the track to your device, the app will notify you. Manage your space by deleting other apps, music, or photos. To start listening, press play. To skip between different tracks or chapters, click the forward and reverse icons. You can also choose a track or chapter by clicking the chapters icon. To skip forward and back 30 seconds, click the icons on either side of the screen. Adjust volume by using the volume slider. Adjust the speed of the audiobook by pressing the icon at the bottom left corner. You can also tell the audiobook to stop playing after a specific amount of time by pressing the sleep icon in the bottom right corner. This is especially useful if you're listening to the audiobook as you go to sleep. Click the details icon for more information about the book. Click the More icon to find out more books by the same author and see other titles that you may like to borrow. Each loan is available for 14 days. Your loan will automatically expire at that time. If you'd like to renew your eAudiobook before then, return to the My Loans page, then click Renew under the title of the book. Click Confirm Renewal. If you'd like to return your book before the end of the 14-day loan period and allow someone else to borrow it, click Return underneath the title of the book. Click Confirm Return. The downloaded eAudiobook file will be deleted from your device. Moreland City Libraries has another eAudiobook service called RB Digital. You may be able to find some titles on that service that you can't find on Borrowbox, or if a book is already on loan on Borrowbox, you may be able to find an available copy on RB Digital. As always, if you have any questions at all, give one of our library staff a call on 9389 8600.